There are several methods for terminating a Ufer ground. One method is the stub-up method. This involves extending the Ufer ground rod above the foundation, leaving a stub-up of 1 to 2 feet. Install a grounding ring, bolt, or lug on the stub-up. Place a blank cover plate over the termination point. Ensure that the termination remains accessible for future inspection and maintenance. Another method is the isolated terminal box method. Install a weatherproof electrical box next to the Ufer ground rod, at least 12 inches above grade. Connect the Ufer ground rod to a grounding lug inside the box using a copper conductor. Install a blank cover plate on the box. Another method is the grounding bar method. Install a grounding bar inside the electrical panel. Connect the Ufer ground rod to the bar using a copper conductor. This method is suitable when the electrical panel is located near the Ufer ground rod. Coordinating with other trades is also a factor. Communicate with the concrete workers to ensure proper placement and height of the Ufer stub-up. Coordinate with the framers to prevent the stub-up from being cut off during framing. Inform the electricians of the Ufer termination location and ensure they avoid installing any wires or devices that could obstruct access to the termination point. The National Electrical Code, known as the NEC, requires the Ufer termination to remain accessible for inspection and maintenance. This means that it cannot be concealed behind walls, ceilings, or other obstructions. Here are some additional tips. Firstly, use corrosion-resistant materials for the termination point and copper conductors. Secondly, apply anti-oxidation compound to the connections to prevent corrosion. Thirdly, clearly label the Ufer termination point for easy identification. Fourthly, consider installing a ground rod evaluator to monitor the integrity of the Ufer ground. The stub-up method involves extending the Ufer ground conductor vertically above the concrete foundation. This provides a convenient point for connection and inspection. The isolated terminal box method places the termination within a protected enclosure. This method helps prevent physical damage and corrosion. The grounding bar method integrates the Ufer ground connection directly into the electrical panel's grounding system. This may simplify wiring and ensure solid connection to the overall electrical ground. When communicating with concrete workers, it's vital to specify the exact location and height of the Ufer ground rod protrusion. This ensures it's properly positioned for later connection. When coordinating with framers, clearly mark the location of the Ufer ground stub-up to prevent accidental cutting or damage during framing. Electricians must be aware of the Ufer ground termination point to avoid obstructing access with other electrical installations. Adhering to the NEC requirement for accessibility ensures that the Ufer ground connection can be easily inspected and maintained throughout the building's lifespan. Corrosion-resistant materials, such as stainless steel or coated copper, will prolong the life of the Ufer ground termination point. Anti-oxidation compounds prevent corrosion by creating a barrier against moisture and air at the connection points. Labeling the Ufer ground termination point makes it easy to identify during future inspections and maintenance. A ground rod evaluator provides continuous monitoring of the Ufer ground's effectiveness. This helps identify potential issues before they compromise the grounding system. The Ufer ground, also known as a concrete encased electrode, is a grounding conductor encased in concrete. The NEC specifies requirements for Ufer grounds in section 250.52. A3. A concrete encased electrode must be at least 20 feet long. It should consist of either bare or zinc galvanized or other electrically conductive coated steel reinforcing bar or rod of not less than 1/2 inch in diameter, or consist of a bare copper conductor not smaller than number 4 American wire gauge (AUG). The electrode must be encased by at least 2 inches of concrete and located within the bottom of a concrete foundation or footing that is in direct contact with the earth. The purpose of the Ufer ground is to provide a low impedance path to earth, helping to protect against electrical shock and equipment damage. The Ufer ground enhances safety by quickly dissipating fault currents to ground, reducing the risk of electrical shock hazards. It protects electronic equipment by providing a stable ground reference, minimizing voltage fluctuations and electrical noise. A properly installed and maintained Ufer ground helps to comply with electrical codes and safety standards. The Ufer ground improves the reliability and longevity of electrical systems by reducing the risk of ground faults and related damage. Regular inspections of the Ufer ground termination point can help identify potential issues such as corrosion or loose connections. If corrosion is found, clean the affected area and apply a fresh coat of anti-oxidation compound. Loose connections should be tightened to ensure a solid electrical bond. If the ground rod evaluator indicates a problem with the Ufer ground's effectiveness, consult with a qualified electrician to investigate and resolve the issue. The Ufer ground should be installed during the initial construction phase of a building. This ensures that the electrode is properly encased in concrete and in direct contact with the earth. The Ufer ground is typically connected to the building's main grounding system, which includes the grounding electrode conductor, grounding busbar, and other grounding components. The size of the grounding electrode conductor connecting the Ufer ground to the grounding busbar must be sized according to NEC Table 250.66. The grounding busbar provides a central connection point for all grounding conductors in the electrical system. Other grounding electrodes, such as ground rods or ground plates, can be used in conjunction with the Ufer ground to enhance the overall grounding system. When multiple grounding electrodes are used, they must be bonded together to create a common ground. The bonding jumpers connecting multiple grounding electrodes must be sized according to NEC Table 250.66. The Ufer ground is an effective grounding solution for various types of buildings, including residential, commercial, and industrial structures. It is particularly beneficial in areas with high soil resistivity where traditional ground rods may not provide adequate grounding. A high-quality Ufer ground installation is crucial for the safety and reliability of electrical systems. The Ufer ground provides a low-impedance path for fault currents, minimizing the risk of electrical shock. The Ufer ground helps to protect sensitive electronic equipment from damage caused by voltage surges and electrical noise. A well-maintained Ufer ground contributes to the overall safety and performance of electrical installations. When selecting materials for the Ufer ground, choose corrosion-resistant options to ensure long-term reliability. Copper conductors and stainless steel hardware are excellent choices for Ufer ground installations. Before backfilling the concrete foundation, inspect the Ufer ground rod and connections to ensure they are properly installed and protected. After completing the Ufer ground installation, document the location of the termination point for future reference. The documentation should include photographs and detailed notes about the installation process. Share the Ufer ground documentation with the building owner and other relevant parties. The Ufer ground is an integral part of the building's overall electrical safety system. A properly installed and maintained Ufer ground helps protect occupants and equipment from electrical hazards. The Ufer ground enhances the safety and reliability of electrical installations. It is important to follow best practices for Ufer ground installation and maintenance to ensure optimal performance. The Ufer ground minimizes the risk of electrical shock and equipment damage. The Ufer ground is a valuable component of electrical safety. The effectiveness of the Ufer ground can be tested using a ground resistance meter. The ground resistance meter measures the resistance between the Ufer ground and the earth. A low resistance reading indicates a good ground connection. A high resistance reading indicates a potential problem with the Ufer ground. The ground resistance should be tested periodically to ensure the Ufer ground is functioning properly. The testing frequency depends on the environmental conditions and the type of electrical system. In areas with high soil resistivity, the ground resistance may need to be tested more frequently. If the ground resistance is too high, the Ufer ground may need to be repaired or replaced. The Ufer ground is a critical component of electrical safety. It helps protect people and equipment from electrical hazards. Proper installation and maintenance of the Ufer ground are essential for ensuring its effectiveness. The Ufer ground is a valuable investment in electrical safety. It can help prevent electrical shocks, fires, and equipment damage. The Ufer ground is a reliable and cost-effective grounding solution. The Ufer ground can provide years of trouble-free service when properly installed and maintained. The Ufer ground is a key element of a comprehensive electrical safety plan. It works in conjunction with other safety measures, such as ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, and surge protectors to provide complete protection against electrical hazards. The Ufer ground is an important part of electrical safety. The Ufer ground contributes to a safe and reliable electrical system. The Ufer ground minimizes the risk of electrical hazards. The Ufer ground provides a low impedance path to earth. The Ufer ground protects against electrical shock and equipment damage. The Ufer ground enhances safety by quickly dissipating fault currents to ground. The Ufer ground improves the reliability and longevity of electrical systems. The Ufer ground helps to comply with electrical codes and safety standards. The Ufer ground is an effective grounding solution for various types of buildings. The Ufer ground is particularly beneficial in areas with high soil resistivity. The Ufer ground is a high-quality grounding installation crucial for the safety and reliability of electrical systems. The Ufer ground helps to protect sensitive electronic equipment from damage. The Ufer ground contributes to the overall safety and performance of electrical installations. The Ufer ground is an integral part of the building's overall electrical safety system. The Ufer ground works by providing a low-resistance path for electrical current to flow back to the source in the event of a fault. This low-resistance path allows the overcurrent protection device, such as the circuit breaker or fuse, to quickly trip and interrupt the flow of current, preventing electrical shock or fire. The Ufer ground also helps to equalize voltage potentials within the electrical system, reducing the risk of voltage surges and other electrical disturbances. In addition to its safety benefits, the Ufer ground can also improve the performance of electronic equipment by providing a stable ground reference. The Ufer ground is a passive device, meaning it does not require any external power source to operate. It relies on the conductivity of the concrete and the surrounding earth to provide a low-resistance path to ground. The effectiveness of the Ufer ground depends on several factors, including the size and type of conductor used, the depth and location of the concrete encasement, and the soil conditions. A properly designed and installed Ufer ground can provide excellent grounding performance for many years. The Ufer ground should be inspected regularly to ensure that it is in good condition and functioning properly. Any signs of corrosion or damage should be addressed promptly. The Ufer ground is a valuable asset to any electrical system. It provides a safe and reliable means of grounding electrical equipment and protecting people from electrical hazards. The Ufer ground is a simple yet effective solution for electrical grounding. The Ufer ground is a proven technology with a long history of successful use. The Ufer ground is a sustainable solution for electrical grounding. The Ufer ground utilizes readily available materials and requires minimal maintenance. The Ufer ground is an environmentally friendly solution for electrical grounding. The Ufer ground does not release any harmful substances into the environment. The Ufer ground is a responsible solution for electrical grounding. The Ufer ground is a cost-effective solution for electrical grounding. The Ufer ground provides excellent value for the investment. The Ufer ground enhances electrical safety and protects electronic equipment. The Ufer ground should be a consideration in all electrical installations. The Ufer ground is a solid foundation for electrical safety.